See here, this is also based on triangle properties. Continuation of yesterday, before yesterday's problem. So four bits I told, we completed. So next, this is the fifth one. A, B, O, C, D, 3x plus 10. See it. See the textbook. Two x find x value. Find x value, that is the question. And see, you have to know the angle properties in a triangle or between the parallel lines or intersecting lines. That formulas you studied in the lower classes. I will remind you once again. See here. So suppose in one triangle, if you know all the three angles, then sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Using that property, we can find that x value. See here. What is the meaning of this? Why these two lines are mentioned? The meaning is, say this is 2 units, this is also 2 units. That means these two sides are equal. In a triangle, all the three sides may be equal, or two sides may be equal, or all the three sides may be different. So in this case, two sides are equal. So if, see here, if two sides are equal, then two angles will be also equal. That property you studied in the triangles in the lower classes. So if two sides are equal, two angles will be equal. What angles are equal? So the angles opposite to these equal sides are equal. See here. For this, what is the opposite angle? See here. What is the opposite angle? 3x plus 10. So this opposite angle is 3x plus 10. Then this opposite angle should be also 3x plus 10. If this is 3x plus 10, this will be also 3x plus 10. Why? Two sides are equal, two angles will be equal. That opposite angle and that opposite angle only will be equal. This is not, we don't know that angle. So this, if this is 3x plus 10, this will be also 3x plus 10. If this is 3x plus 10, then this will be also 3x plus 10. Next. Remember the concept. If two sides are equal, then the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Same concept I will use here. See here. Next, one more concept. So many plane geometry formulas, concepts are applied in this problem. See here. If two lines are intersecting, these two are called vertically opposite angles. So these two angles are always equal. If this is x, this will be also x. See here. These two lines are intersecting. These two are vertically opposite angles. If this is 3x plus 10, this will be also 3x plus 10. Vertically opposite angles are equal. First this angle and this angle, if this is 3x plus 10, this will be also 3x plus 10, because equal side. Two sides are equal, two angles will be equal. Same angle I can take here, because if two lines are intersecting, these two are called vertically opposite angles, they are equal. You studied in the plane geometry. If you forget also, now you just, I will give the notes, you remember. Now, see here. Here also two sides are equal. Two sides are equal means two angles will be also equal. Two sides are equal, then two angles will be equal. For this, opposite is 3x plus 10. Same side is here. So this opposite is also 3x plus 10. This opposite 3x plus 10. This opposite also 3x plus 10. So that means in this triangle, don't write anything. In triangle OCD, in this triangle, we know three angles. First we got only one angle is given, but after using the properties of the triangles, we got these two angles. So now we have three angles in this. Sum of three angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. Angle C, this angle plus this angle plus this angle. What is this angle? We can take it as O, or we can call it as a COD. COD angle. This angle is COD. Angle COD. So sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Don't write anything. This angle plus this angle plus this angle is 180. What is this angle? C. This angle is D. This angle is, we can call it as a COD. So what is this? 2x plus D is 3x plus 10 plus angle COD is also 3x plus 10. Why it is 180 degrees? Because it is a formula. In any triangle, if you add three angles, it will be always 180 degrees. That is the triangle property. Sum of three angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. We know that. We know that. See here. Now, 2x plus 3x is 5x. 2x plus 3x, 5x plus 3x, 8x. 2x plus 3x, 5x, 5x plus 3x, 8x. 10 plus 10, 20. So 8x is equal to plus 20 right side, y minus 20. 180 minus 20 is 160. X is equal to 160 by 8. 160 by 8 is 20. This is the answer. X is equal to 20 degrees is the answer, but lot of properties are applied. Actually, this total exercise is difficult. Many problems are given and somewhat difficult exercise. So you have to practice it. See here, I will explain. First, only 3x plus 10 is given. This is not given. This is not given. This is not given. How I got these two angles, I will explain. Right now. In triangle OAB, right now. In triangle OAB, this is the triangle. Instead of writing triangle, or you can write triangle. In triangle OAB, these two sides are equal. Why these two sides are equal? Because it is given. It is given that, right now, given that OA is equal to AB. These two, this is symbol, this is symbol. These two sides are equal. OA is equal to AB. OA is equal to AB. Two sides are equal. It is given. Then angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. Write down. Angles opposite to, then angles opposite to equal sides. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So this opposite angle is this, then this opposite will be also same. If two sides are equal, two angles will be equal. This angle 3x plus 10, this angle also 3x plus 10. I will call this angle as AOB. I will call this angle as AOB. Angle AOB. Then angle AOB is equal to 3x plus 10. Why? Because two sides equal, two angles will be equal. So 3x plus 10. Write down up to here. Don't write this. Only up to here. Only up to here. Angle AOB. This is 3x plus 10. We got it. Next. If this is 3x plus 10, this angle COD also 3x plus 10, because vertically opposite angles, if two lines are intersecting, vertically opposite angles are equal. This is 3x plus 10. This will be also 3x plus 10. Write down. The angle COD is equal to, angle COD is equal to angle AOB. These two angles are equal. Angle COD is equal to angle AOB. These two angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles. Write down the reason. Vertically opposite angles vertically opposite angles. So therefore angle COD is also 3x plus 10. So we got this angle. This is already given. This we got. Now this symbol represent these two sides are equal. So if these two sides are equal, two angles will be equal. Which angles are equal? See which is opposite to this side? This one. Same way, if this is 3x plus 10, this will be also 3x plus 10. Opposite angles are equal. So the angle opposite to this is 3x plus 10. Here also the angle opposite to this is 3x plus 10. So this will be 3x plus 10. Right off. Because two sides are equal, two angles will be equal. Since OC is equal to CD, OC is equal to CD, two sides are equal, then these two angles will be equal. Angle D is equal to angle COD, which is nothing but 3x plus 10. Then write down this. Forget this, take only this angle plus this angle plus this angle will be 180 degrees, because in any triangle sum of three angles is 180 degrees. Simple process, we got x is equal to 20 degrees. So this is given. If this is 3x plus 10, this will be also 3x plus 10. Then if this is 3x plus 10, this will be also 3x plus 10. If this is 3x plus 10, this will be also 3x plus 10. I gave all the concepts regarding this. This will be same as this will be same as this will be same as this. So forget, only sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. I gave the necessary notes also. So remember these steps and complete this. Somewhat difficult problem. You just try to remember the triangle formulas, and after that we go to the second question. After completing this, open the page number 42, because here after theory questions are coming. Complete theory, you have to read the question. Write very neatly, and after that once again without seeing you try this problem. Now here onwards, this all problems are difficult only. This is actually difficult topic. Theory questions we have to understand. See the second question, just read it. Don't write, you read it, and you leave the place, and after that you write the question. Just read the question, that's all. Don't write now. The difference between two numbers is 8. Difference between two numbers is 8. See here. Difference between two numbers is 8. That is the question. If 2 is added to the bigger number, the result will be 3 times the smaller number. Find the numbers. See. Difference between two numbers is 8. See. First I will give general example. Difference between two numbers is 10. Difference between two numbers is 3. General example, you think about it. Difference means minus. Difference between two numbers is 3. So one number is see here. Difference between two numbers is 3. One number is say 10. What is the other number? Difference is 3. One number is 3. What is the other number? Difference is 3 means if one number is 10, other number will be 7 because difference should be 3. Difference means minus. Difference means minus. If one number is say 10, other number will be how much? 7 because difference means minus. Difference should be 3. So how to get this number? One number is 10. What is the other number? So other number means this will be 10 minus 3, that is 7. So see here, don't write anything. Let one number is equal to, we don't know the numbers. One number say x. What is the second number? Then other number is equal to, difference between two numbers is 3 means if one number is 10, other number will be 7 or other number may be 13. Both are correct because 13 minus 10 is 3. If it is 7 only, 10 minus 7 is 3. So that means if one number is known, other number we can get by adding this, that is also correct, or subtracting this. Both are correct. See here. If one number is x and difference is 8 means other number will be 8 plus x. Let one number is equal to x. First understand these two lines and after that we can complete the problem. First two lines. Let one number is equal to x because we don't know the number. Let one number is equal to x. What is the other number? Difference should be 8. If we subtract this minus this, difference means minus. See here, 8 plus x minus x, x cancel 8, difference is 8. Now write down, let one number is equal to x. Let one number is equal to x, then other number is equal to 8 plus x. Because their difference should be 8. Even you can take 8 minus x also, both are correct. One number is equal to 8. One number is equal to x, then other number is equal to 8 plus x. See the question now. Given what is the relation between these two numbers? If you write the relation, then we will get the equation, then we will get the answer. See here. If 2 is added to the bigger number, result will be 3 times the smaller number. In these two, x is one number, 8 plus x is smaller number, one number. So in this, because 8 plus x generally it is a bigger number. This is bigger number, this is smaller number. It is very clear because this is x only, but here 8 is added, this is a bigger number. What is given data? 2 is added to the bigger number. What is the bigger number? 8 plus x. For this 2 is added. Don't write. 2 is added to the bigger number. Bigger number is 8 plus x. 2 is added. 2 is added to the bigger number. The result is 3 times the smaller number. 3 times means multiplication. 3 into smaller number is x. 2 is added to the bigger number. This bigger number, what is added? 2 is added. Over. Is equal to what? 3 times means 3 into smaller number. What is the smaller number? X. That's the problem is over. You can do it. See here. x, 8 plus 2, 10. This is 3x. Bring x terms this side. All x terms on one side. 3x to the left side minus 3x plus 10 to the right side minus 10. 3x this side minus 3x plus 10 that side minus 10. So minus 2x is equal to minus 10. Minus minus cancel. 10 by 2 is equal to 5. So the question is find the number. See here. X is equal to 5. See here. X is equal to 5. What is other number? X, other number is 8 plus x. That means 8 plus 5, 13. So one number is 5, second number is 13. And what is the difference? That is 8. So exactly over. So once again read the question. One number I am taking x. Then second number will be 8 plus x because the difference between the two numbers is 8. Difference between two numbers is 8. In that case, if one number is x, other number will be 8 plus x. Difference means if you subtract, x cancel, 8 we will get. So, this is the smaller, this is the greater. Now read the question. 2 is added to the bigger number. This is bigger number, 2 is added. Is equal to 3 times. Times means multiplication of smaller number, x. 3 into x, 3x. X is here, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 is taken to the right side minus 10, 3x to the left side minus 3x. 1x minus 3x is, 1x minus 3x is minus 2x, minus 10, minus minus cancel, x is equal to 10 by 2, 5. Understand this problem, once again read and understand. Read and understand. Therefore, numbers are x is equal to 5. 8 plus x means 8 plus 5, 13. So, these two numbers are, one is 5, another is 8 plus 5, 13. So, 5 and 13 are the numbers. You have to read and you have to practice it. One number is x, other number will be 8 plus x. Why 8 plus x? That you have to think. Because difference is 8. The difference, this minus this should be 8. X cancel, 8 will remain. So that's why I took it as 8 plus x. Even 8 minus x also, 8 plus x, okay, no problem. 8 plus x. So that is 2 is added to smaller number and is equal to 3 times the 2 is added to the bigger number is equal to 3 times the smaller. Solve and x value. X is 5 means 8 plus x is 13. 5 and 13 is the answer. Read the third problem for 2-3 times. Read it. Read it and understand the third problem. See here, what are the two, write down the question from the textbooks. I am not writing in full. You have to get the textbooks, otherwise I will read the question. What are those two numbers? What are those two numbers whose sum is 58, difference is 28? Whose sum is 58, difference is 28. Whose sum is 58, difference is 28. See, what are the two numbers whose sum is say 10, Sum is 10. Suppose one number is x, what is the other number? See here, we are asked to find the two numbers. One number is say x, let one number is equal to x. What is the other number? Other number, say this is the other number. Sum is how much? Say for example 10. So other number will be 10 minus x. Suppose if one number is 3, sum should be 10. So what is the other number? Sum means plus. Sum is plus. If one number is 3, sum is 10. What is the other number? 10 minus 3, that is 7. 3 plus 7 is how much? 10. So one number 3 means other number will be 10 minus 3, that is 7. Same way, if one number is x and sum is 58 means other number will be 58 minus x. That you have to write. One number is always the required number is taken as x. So suppose if it is this x, sum is say 58. Sum 58 means what is the other number? 58 minus x. Suppose if one number is 3, sum is 10, other number will be naturally 7. How we will get this 7? 10 minus 3, that is 7. Same way, if one number is x, then other number is equal to 58x minus x. Why it is 58 minus x? Because sum of these two should be 58. See here, I will add. Sum means plus. X plus 58 minus x, if you add, minus x plus x cancel, sum is 58. Like this. One number, write down. Let one number is equal to x. Let one number is equal to x. Since sum of two numbers is equal to 58 is given, then second number will be, what will be the second number? 58 minus x. One number x, then second number will be 58 minus x. That you have to remember. One number is x, the second number is 58 minus x. Now what is the given relation? Now read the question. One number is x, other number is 58 minus x. Don't write. Now see, I am reading the question. Difference is 28. Difference is how much? 28. Difference means what? Minus. Difference means what? Minus. So this is one number, this is second number. Difference means minus. Sum means plus. So difference of these two numbers. Difference means minus. First number x minus. What is the second number? 58 minus x. So this is 28, it is given. This minus this, the difference is given as 28. Difference is given as 28. See here. X minus 58 minus into minus plus x is equal to 28. X plus x 2x is equal to 28 minus 58 that side plus 58. So 2x is equal to 28 plus 58 is 86. So x is equal to 86 by 2, that is 44. So the number x is equal to 44 and other number is 58 minus x, that is 58 minus 44. Right. Right. Let one number is equal to x, then other number, sum of two numbers is given as 58, then other number will be 58 minus x. So difference is given as 28. Difference minus this. X minus 58 minus x is equal to 28. X minus 58 minus into minus plus x. X plus x 2x. minus 58 that side plus 58, 58 plus 28 is 86, 8 plus x 16, 1, 6 plus 2 86, 86 by 2 is 2 fours are 2 threes are 43. So if one number is 43, so other number is 58 minus x, 58 minus 43 is how much? 15. So therefore answer is 43 and 15. See the steps. See the step by step. First, any number will be taken as x only. So second, how I got 58 minus x, that you have to understand. Because sum of two numbers 48 means, if suppose sum of two numbers is say 10, one number is 3, what will be other number? Automatically 7. How we will get that 7? 10 minus 3. Same way 58 minus x. Difference is given as 28. It is given in the problem. Given in the problem. Difference means x. Difference means minus. X minus 58 minus x is equal to 28. Minus 58 minus into minus plus x. X plus x 2x. Minus 58 that's it plus 58. 58 plus 28, 86 by 2 is 43. So 43, other number is 58 minus x. 58 minus 43 is 15. So what are the numbers? 43, 15. Right. Read the question and understand the steps. Understanding the question is very, very important, because all theory problems here onwards it is very easy to understand. But why I got 58 minus x and why I wrote this step, this is very, very important. That you have to understand by using the textbook, reading the textbook, reading the question. See, we can verify the answer. Sum is, what is 43 plus 15? 58. Difference, minus, subtract 43 minus 15, 28. Sum is, sum of the numbers 58. Difference is 28. So these are the required numbers. So after the class, you just once again practice these problems, because lot of concept is required, lot of skill is required. Fourth problem you read from the textbook. I am writing the question. You read the question. Sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 56. Find the numbers.